my first YouTube video. I just want to introduce myself. My name is Jenna. I love to bake, cook, and do my makeup. That's what this channel will entail. Having a look that I'm trying to nail down for Thanksgiving. I'm going to be going step by step. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. So sorry about that. First step in my routine is to apply some moisturizer and some serums before I start. I want that to be fully dried down before I start anything else. Directly, just right here. This is all I'm putting right here. Then I'm going in with the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. And then let that fully dry down.
From a person? Nope. Oh, have mercy.
And with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. First thing I'm going to blend this with is, I'm probably going to go into my Morphe Y6, and I'm just going to press this in, okay, just like this. Just like this, and down the neck. And as you're blending, if you see it get, like you feel like you can't dry, like it's getting dried down too quickly, you can easily spray some setting spray or some Fix Plus, and that'll help you blend. And I didn't like the finish with that. Like, I still see stipple marks, a little bit of like lines. So we're just gonna go with the Beauty Blender and just push that in again to remove the extra cakiness. Okay, no, I love that even pale finish. And if you're really not sure because your mirror is far away, get a handheld. Yeah. So I like that finish, but I'm looking dry. So I'm going to go in now with the Revolution Makeup London blush, liquid blush, and this is in shade Savage Coral. I'm just gonna do a dot of this. That's too much. That's fine. And then I'm going to blend that out with a Morphe. I don't know what number this is, but it's angled.
Impressive. Don't even ask me why.
Okay. You feel like the egg drop?
Too Faced translucent setting powder. Please pat it like on my hand or something. And then I set the places that are first to crease first. So your first layer is to set your face. Like, get in and really set all those spots that are very first to crease. Now my second layer is going to bake. I'm going to take the Jeffree Star JS2 Morphe brush, and I'm going to take the rest of that's left in the lid and set the other parts of my face. Bronzer, I use, this might be controversial, but I use the Beauty Crop Pore Filter pressed powder, Pluribund pressed powder instead of an actual bronzer. I don't know, I like the finish, I like the pigment, that's what I like. And with this Morphe brush, I go in like this. And you're gonna put this in where you want to create a shadow. Brush, same powder. To dust away that bake. This is the Moda Pro BMX 255 Accentuate brush. and I just find it works so good. So I press and then fly. Go in with the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Longwear Setting Spray. It's gonna give you a little more life back into your face. Spraying the setting spray through your makeup routine will leave a nicer finish at the end. Now I'm going to go in with blush. I haven't like found like a blush that like really speaks to me, but recently I've been going in with the Violet Voss Make Me blush, and I'm going in with this Morphe brush. I just love Morphe brushes. They're good quality. It's pigmented too, so one dip. You're either a brush or bronzer girl. I'm a blush girl. I love blush. This might be controversial too, but I don't care. I use the CoverGirl Professional Natural Last Clear Mascara to gel my eyebrows. I like the look. I know there's clear gels out there for eyebrows, but the girl is broke. So I go forward one time, and then I go like that. Now we're gonna do our eyes. I'm going into the Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette. I love it. Sorry. Open. Blocked. I don't know if you've ever worked with this palette, but I love it. So I have that one, and then I have this 3 pigment trio by Hip Dot, and they look like this. I really want to do this shimmer shade. Just a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe Extract on Hail collection, and this brush is in 3H35. JH35. With Tanacon from the Jeffree Star palette, just in my crease, straight on in my crease. Just like that. Now we're going to go into a little tinier brush, and it's kind of more densely packed. And then in the Hip Dot Trio palette, we're going to go into deep, like brown shade. And we're just going to go like this. Kind of this type of brush. And then I'm going to go back in to Tanacon and My Pills, just a mix of them, and blend that shade out. Here we go. And then I'm going back into that brush I had that shadow on. I'm going to bring it a little lower. A little lower. Bring that color right back to that. Where I had it. Now with the Lay Down Looks MOTD look brush, I am going to go into the mauve shade that we had in here. I'm gonna put that, perfect. I'm gonna put that right next to that brown. Brush I had, and then I'm just going in straight to My Pills. And just giving this something to blend into right there. Go back into this Too Faced powder and just brighten that right there. Right there. The application I can do with this is to just go my finger. So it looks like this. And I'm just gonna put that. Stunning. Luxie 131 mini angled, just like this. Then I'm going into ranch in that Jeffree Star palette. Just popping that in the inner corner. Mix a little bit of Lovers with that ranch. Just with a now I want to go in with mascara. My favorite mascara right now is the Maybelline New York Sky High. So good, so fucking good, so good. So once you can just, it looks like I have fake lashes on. That's how dramatic that is. Now I'm just going into the dress I did the, oh my gosh. And with this on the lower eyes, I like to just let it dry for a little bit and then separate them. Miss Lamb short shader. I'm opening that right back up, and I'm just going like around the lower lash, so Tanacon. Setting spray. What is this? Shades by Shane or Shan. And this is San Francisco. But before I do that, I'm gonna put a little bit of brown liner. This. I think I can do a gloss because my face is so matte. Top of my lippy with the Fenty Beauty lippies, and this is in Diamond Milk. Just in the center.